advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Monday. What? Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Polk, Barron, Rusk, St. Croix, Pierce, Dunn, Pepin, Chippewa, and Eau Claire counties. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Monday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: strong winds and rapidly falling temperatures will also lead to wind chills 5 to 15 degrees below zero early Monday. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Repeating, a wind advisory has been issued from 9 p.m. until 9 a.m. Monday for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Barron, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pepin, Pierce, Polk, Rusk, and St. Croix. This is Weather Radio Station WX.